Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by selecting the hyperlinks you want removed. Don't prep unrelated files. Click the first cell, then drag or use Shift+click to expand selection. Once done, make sure you're not editing a formula bar. Selection must be active in the grid. If links come from hyperlink, formula, you'll handle differently, so note whether the cell shows a formula. You need this precision because the removal method targets cell content or link objects, and that distinction changes how Excel responds. Now remove the links. Right-click the selected cells and pick Remove Hyperlinks. This strips link behavior but preserves text. If your Excel lacks that menu, press Ctrl+C, then home right arrow paste values to replace hyperlinks with plain text. For cells using hyperlink formulas, copy them and paste special right arrow values to keep display text without the formula. Once done, make sure you saved or use undo if output differs. This step converts active links into inert text or values. Finish by scanning non-cell links. Right-click any shapes, pictures, or charts and choose Edit Hyperlink to remove them. Once done, open Data right arrow edit links to break external workbook connections if present. Break links to stop automatic relinking. If hyperlinks return after save, check for VBA macros or conditional formats that recreate them. Open the VBA editor or clear formats as needed. One tip: if Remove Hyperlinks fails, copy to Notepad, then paste back to strip any hidden link metadata before saving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.